Hello friends, welcome to Computer Byte. In today's AutoCAD tutorial video, I am going to answer a question, and the question is, how do you find the area of a polygon with 8 sides? Instead of a polygon or a hexagon, we will discuss many shapes and plots and objects, and we will calculate or find the area of those shapes. Today we will use many methods, 4 of them. Area, we will find the area of an object. We will find the area of a shape, an open shape. We will find the area by polyline method, and then we'll take area by taking a region of an object. So let's start. So here we are. It's very easy to calculate area in AutoCAD. Here I have a square shape, and let's find its dimensions. It's 20 feet wide, and yes, both the dimensions are 20 feet, so it's a perfect square. If I want to calculate the area of this shape, I'll press AA and then press enter. Since it is a closed object, I'll press O enter, and now I'll click on this object, and we can see that the area of this has been shown here with the mouse. I'll repeat, AA enter, then O enter, click on the object, and you can see with the mouse pointer area in square inches and square feet along with parameter is shown. Now if this object is not a closed one and we have, then I'll take AA enter, then I have to click on each endpoint of this shape. Click here, then on the second point, then on the third, fourth, and then back to the starting point. After that I'll click enter, and it will show the area of this object in inches, in square feet, and parameter as well. Next we have this object which was asked in that question, this octagon. So I'll simply press AA enter, and I'll press O enter, click on this object, and AutoCAD will show me the area near to the mouse pointer, the crosshair, and the area in inches, square feet, and its parameter. Now I have to find the area of an object which is not closed, so I cannot use AA enter and O enter, which is object. It is not an object and the entire object will not be selected, so here I'll use the polyline method to find the area. For this I'll take PL enter, polyline, and I start clicking here, and at all the endpoints back to the first point, and then press enter. Now if we click on this, you can notice that it is a closed object. Now you can use AA enter, O enter to find the area of this shape. If we want another method, which is region method, or you can use boundary, for this I'll take REG enter, select the entire object and enter. Now this drawing has been shifted to a closed one, and it is a solid object, so I can use AA enter, O enter, and click on this object to find the area in square inches and feet. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.